In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we take a look at how two young people have changed their lives for the better.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
Ramon Gillespie and Natasha Robinson are two out of many other at-risk youth who were given a second chance under the Red Stripe Learning for Life program. Before, Ramon says he would just hang out in his community with nothing to do. In that time, he had a few run-ins with the law. As for Natasha, she was sending out resumes to dozens of companies. Now they have been given hope. Ramon and Natasha are working under the Learning for Life program on the cassava farm Red Stripe uses to grow raw materials for its beer.
At first, they couldn't tell me, say, Ramon, you're going to be a farmer down the line, you know. I would say no, you know what I mean? But I enjoy farming now, basically, because it shows you that the economy, it grows the economy.
I was a part of the De La Vega City Youth Club, right? And the president received some applications. And he gave us the applications, asked who was interested. Personally, I wasn't. I just signed up the paper. And there was another co-worker who was eager to reach into the program. And he was just basically pestering the president to submit the application. Well, he did, and he did submit mine.
Ramon's determination to become a worthwhile citizen has inspired other at-risk youth.
Since I'm here, enough of my friends was like, no, farming, but since them see the success and everything, they must say, well, get a application form for me, if even the same farm. You know what I mean? They are willing to do it.
At the start, Natasha worked on the farm, but now she helps in the office.
Remember, I told you that I sent out numerous applications. Well, I received a lot of calls while on training. And my decision to stay was because Red Stripe has been around for a long time. So I decided that, okay, stay with a company that has been there.
Communications manager at Red Stripe, Stacey Smith, says the program has helped many.
You want to provide an avenue for those young people who may not have matriculated to university, who don't have a skill. I mean, we operate in a community where you can see hundreds, thousands of young people who leave school, leave high school, and they don't have an avenue, they don't have a ready way to make a living.
I am Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.